Dear students, in today's lecture, we will discuss about A-levels accounting. Primarily, the main task is you must know about the paper pattern and how you will be assessed. There are two types of levels, AS levels and A levels, as you know. There are two papers, here P1, P2, and here P3. Today, I'm just focusing on P1 and P2, which is AS level, and I'm going to start the lectures on this. Before going into the details of the syllabus, I would like to give the paper pattern. 30 multiple questions will be given to you, and it contains 30 marks. And at the same level, financial accounting's questions, question 1, question 2, and question 3 mainly will come from financial accounting, and the question number 4 will come from cost and management accounting. Now, financial accounting both will be covered in both levels, AS levels and also at A levels. But as I'm telling you, that the financial accounting at AS level is bit at easy level accounting, and at A levels, A2 level, it will be bit difficult. And same thing goes to cost and management accounting. Now let's move on. So it's clear that we have 30 multiple choice questions. Here we have question 1, 2, 3 from financial accounting, and question 4 will come from cost accounting. So write it with yourself. It's very important. In the next coming few minutes, I'll tell you which book we will use and how we will cover these topics. First of all, stay with me. Look at this. At AS level, we will cover accounting cycle, non-current assets, reconciliation and verifications, sole proprietor partnership, and blah, 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 and certain other analysis. And at cost, 3 questions will come from here, and examiner will cover 1 question from costing of material and labor, absorption, marginal and cost volume profit analysis, and applications. Now we are going to discuss the details of all these topics. Stay with me. It's very important to, first of all, to look into the syllabus. Otherwise, keep in mind, you can't do anything without understanding the syllabus properly. Now I would request you, first of all, note all these topics and see in the market which book, which notes are the best for you. Accounting cycle. In accounting cycle, we will cover double entry system. We will cover prime entries, blah, blah, trial balance ledgers, and certain other accounting concepts in accounting cycle. Then accounting for non-current assets, we will look how capital and revenue expenditures and incomes are different, causes of depreciations, method of depreciation, journal entries of depreciations, provisions for depreciation, right? Reconciliation, and here we will reconcile the bank reconciliation, means the balance of the cash book will be reconciled with the balance of the bank, and if there is any difference, how we will rectify that. So in these we will see all these. Then in the next topic we will cover financial statements, their adjustments, how sole proprietors accounts will be prepared, partnership accounts, limited company accounts. Right, still AS level part 1 means financial accounting is going. And analysis and communication, we will do the analysis using different ratios. So in the last part we will cover the ratios. Now come to the next part, which is cost accounting, from where a structured question. We have MCQs and structured long questions. One structured long question for 30 marks will come from here, where we cover average cost, LIFO, FIFO. These are the method of valuations. And in the next, we will cover traditional absorption costing, marginal costing, and as well as where break-even cost volume analysis is primarily concerned with break-even analysis and decision making. In the application, in the last section, we will see. It's very important. Take it, print, and put on your table before studying. You any notes or the book, these should be on your table in the printed form. Please. And if you want to contact me, you can note down my email and I'm going to help you. My email is HASNAAT ASAD DES at gmail.com. You can email me anytime. I'll reply. So note down this email. Soon I'll share my contact number as well. Now it's time to see the best books available in the market. As this is the recommended book for A levels by university. Now we can see the accounting cycle being covered till here. Ledgers, enough. Then cash book, discounts and different things. Then accruals, next topic according to those notes. The syllabus we have already seen. Inventory levels and all things been covered in a very proper manner here. And these are the absorption, marginal and business planning and unit batch costing. So it's a very good book and I would request you must go through. Now we have certain other books available. We can see all these books also. Come to the topics. First topic is bank reconciliation statement, as we have seen in syllabus, as you know. This topic comes from here, 1.3, bank reconciliation. Accounting for depreciation. So 1.4 topic, you can see here. No. It's from non-current assets. Bad debts. Inventory valuation comes from LIFO, FIFO, cost accounting, counting concepts, capital. Things been mixed here in these notes. Things are as per guidelines, but things been badly mixed. So is it possible to do directly all these questions? No, never. You can't do. Before going into the practice of all these questions in the past papers, you must have basics knowledge. If you have a basics knowledge, you can easily go and you can study. Here you can see the first topic is bad debts and doubtful debts, but here bank reconciliation, written by the same author. So the analysis is, let me check all these topics in detail. These are also taken from the past papers and it doesn't contain basics concept. So I would highly recommend you to consult this book. After studying this book, go for past papers and different other guest papers. Without doing these, never go to directly towards past papers and guest papers, because you must be clear and you have basics concepts to clear all these things. So I hope so in this lecture we have decided that how we will continue our syllabus and how we will study this course. So in this course, I'm going to teach you AS level all chapters and we will study till page number 330 and then we will go into the past papers and examinations. So I hope so you got my idea and you got my points, and I try to give all these concepts in a very easy language. I would request all of you, if you have any confusion, you can contact me. Currently, I'm in UAE, and if any student in UAE want to learn ARO levels accounting, he can contact me. He or she can contact me on my email. Thanks for watching. Stay blessed and uh, many thanks. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.